Hello students, today I am telling you chapter 7 of reasoning, that is average. See exercise 7.1, first question. It is saying that if average daily expense of Victor for 4 days is rupees 90 and he spent rupees 100, rupees 125 and rupees 85 on 3 consecutive days, what will be his expense on 4th day? You have to find his expense on 4th day. So average is given rupees 90 and number of days are 4. So amount spent on 3 consecutive days are given 100, 125 and 85. So let expense on 4th day be x. Now you know average equal to sum of the numbers upon count of the numbers. So average is given 90 equal to 100 plus 125 plus 85 plus x upon 4. You will get 90 equal to 310 plus x upon 4. So cross multiply it and simplify it. You have to find the value of x. You will get x equal to 50. So answer will be A part, that is rupees 50. Now see second question. You have to tell what will be the average of numbers for 1 to 49. So numbers are from 1 to 49. So average of first n natural numbers is n plus 1 upon 2. So 49 plus 1 upon 2, that is 50 upon 2. So you will get 25. So answer will be B part, 25. Now see third question. You have to find the average of first 15 even numbers. So average of first n even numbers is given by n plus 1. So there are 15 even numbers, so 15 plus 1. So answer will be 16, that is A part. Now see fourth question. In fourth question you have to find the average of first 17 odd numbers. So general formula for average of first n odd numbers is n only. So average of first 17 odd numbers will be 17. So answer will be B part, 17. Now see fifth question. The average age of class of 25 students is 15 years. If age of the class teacher is added, their average age becomes 16 years. Find the age of class teacher. So average age of 25 students is given 15. So total age of students will be 15 multiplied by 25, that will be 375. Now average age of students including teacher is 16. So 375 plus y upon 26 equal to 16. As there were 25 students, when we will include teacher, then it will become 26. Now we have to solve it. So 375 plus y equal to 16 multiplied by 26. You will get 375 plus y equal to 416. So y equal to 416 minus 375. We will get y equal to 41. That means age of teacher is 41 years. So answer will be C part, 41 years. Now see sixth question. Average of 3 consecutive even numbers is 24. You have to find the product of first and last numbers. So let 3 consecutive even numbers be x, x plus 2 and x plus 4. Average is given 24. So you know average formula, sum of all the numbers. So x plus 2 upon x plus 4 upon 3 equal to 24. We will simplify it. We will get 3x plus 6 equal to 72. So 3x equal to 72 minus 6. So we will get x equal to 66 upon 3, that is 22. So numbers will be 22, 22 plus 2 and 22 plus 4. So we will get 22, 24 and 26. Now since we have to find the product of first and last numbers, product means we have to multiply. First number is 22 and last number is 26. So we will get 572. So answer will be A part, 572. Then see seventh question. It's saying that average of any 11 numbers is 11 and the average of first 9 number is 12. Find the average of last two numbers. So average of any 11 number is given 11. That means sum of numbers upon 11 equal to 11. So sum of numbers we will get 11 multiplied by 11, that is 121. Now average of first 9 numbers is given 12. That means sum of numbers upon 9 equal to 12. we will get sum of numbers equal to 108. So therefore average of last two numbers will be 121 minus 108 upon 2, that is 13 upon 2. So we will get 6.5. That is answer will be C part, 6.5. Now see 8th question. It's saying Mr. Pradhan got married 10 years ago. Then his wife and wife's average age was 25 years. Today he has got an 8-year-old son. Find the average age of his family. So average age of husband and wife is given 25 years. That means sum of age upon 2 equal to 25, as two pupils are there, husband and wife. So sum of ages we will get 25 multiplied by 2, 50 years. Now after 10 years the sum will increase by 10 multiplied by 2, that is 20 years. That means the sum of ages of husband and wife will be 50 plus 20, 70 years. Now age of son is given 8 years. Therefore average age of family will be 70 plus 8 upon 3. 3 in denominator, as now husband, wife and son, 3 pupils are there, that's why. So 78 upon 3 we will get 26. So answer will be B part, 26 years. Like this 9th and 10th question of this exercise you will try to do yourself.